Want to win some money? Stay tuned. I don't make diddly squat off of YouTube ad revenue. Huh. I just realized I don't know what a diddly squat is.
Diddly.
I thought, why not take that money and give it away to awesome folks who subscribe to my channel? That's $250 in free Amazon gift cards. 4 people get a $25 gift card. 2 people get a $50 gift card. 1 person will receive a $100 gift card. Here's how it works. Go to this link, clickable in the description below, and you'll see this. You can log in using whatever. That means nothing. It allows you to come back later and see how you're doing in the drawing. Then it asks you for your email. Look, I know some people are freaky about giving up their email. If you win, I need it so I can send you the electronic Amazon gift card. I don't get to see you entered, except when the 7 people who are chosen win. I tested this, and it wouldn't even show my entry. No, I'm not entering in my own giveaway. Jeez. The first entry verifies you're subscribed to my channel and gets you an instant 5 entries. It sends you over here, so if you're already subscribed, just click the button, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Click continue and you'll unlock all the other ways to enter, all optional, but gives you more chances to win. Tweet the giveaway on Twitter and get an extra entry. Visit my Instagram page and follow for another entry. If you do all 3, you'll get an automatic bonus of 3 more entries. Last one is big. You get your own personal code to email, Facebook, Tweet, Google+, Tumblr, or Pinterest. If 20 people enter your post, you'd get 20 entries here. When you're done, the system sends an email like this. It tells you about the giveaway as your personal share link, and you can come back and see how many entries you're stacking up. Lastly, if you're bored, you can read the terms and conditions here, which basically says I'm doing this giveaway and no one else is sponsoring or doing it. I mean, duh, it's my money. After the contest ends on June 15th, I'll make another video where I select the 7 winners. The program picks out 7 random entries where I'll finally get to see who the 7 people are. And yeah, the system checks out the entries you've made to see if they're legit, and if not, it will disqualify you and pick someone else. Don't game the system. I've never done one of these before, and I thought it would be fun to pay those vast fortunes I make on YouTube forward. If this works out, maybe I'll do one of these every couple of months, just for the heck of it. Thanks for watching and good luck. Diddly. Oh, hell.